Right now, we're here at Long Island, New York, heading to RestorFX Long Island to meet up with Don and Mike, who have to date created the most successful, highest volume RestorFX Center in the world. Look at this, check that out.
This is the main man, Dylan.
How are you?
It's really interesting to see how it's flourishing, the business, the traction. It's literally snowballing. It's at the point now where I get cars because they know that it's going to be perfect. Whether it's a $10,000 car or a $50,000 car, we make the sale of that vehicle that much more easy. I get dealerships that call me with packs of parts and come. You know, it's no more 1, 2 here or there sporadically. 5 years ago, they looked at me as an expense. Now they see the value in the service.
We just wanted to say how much we appreciate the commitment and dedication you guys have had to the RestorFX brand. Not only that, but you guys have risen to the top to build something amazing. Thank you guys for all that you've done.